morning. Actually, I am Dr. Aniruddha, pediatric surgeon in TMC. So I am going to share one very unique case of jejunal atresia in a 5 days old baby. So this baby was born in Dalai District Hospital on 10th of January by normal vaginal delivery. But after that, the baby was having continuous bilious vomiting. The baby could not take breast milk. The baby could not was not taking anything. The baby was continuously vomiting, and that was green in color. So for that reason, from Dalai district, they have referred the baby to Tripura Medical College, Hapania. So on 15th, the baby was admitted in TMC, and on 18th, after 3 days of investigation, the baby was diagnosed as a case of jejunal atresia, which is a very rare case. So jejunal atresia itself is a challenge for a pediatric surgeon because it is very rare. One of the reasons is it is very rare, and the chances of success rate in correcting a jejunal atresia is very, very challenging. So on 18th of January, the baby was operated, and I did jejunoplasty with jejunal anastomosis. It was type 3 jejunal atresia, proximal jejunal atresia type 3. So I did jejunoplasty plus jejunal anastomosis. Now the baby's age is around 1 month. Now the baby is stable, taking everything orally, taking mother's breast milk, and now we are going to discharge the baby within 1 or 2 days. So my main aim of such a sharing such a case is that these cases are very rare and they are hardly diagnosed. So anywhere, any patient, any small baby with repeated vomiting, they should be referred to TMC without any delay, so that I can diagnose the baby and we can go in immediately. Because if you delay such case, the results are very bad. So my request to all is that any pediatric babies or any pediatric patient, neonatal cases, anything which you feel that it is not normal, please refer to TMC, Tripura Medical College. I am always there. I am the pediatric surgeon. So I can do my best and I can render my service to such poor people who are in really in confused state, where to go, how to get the treatment. Okay, so that is a good success story. It is not only my success; it is the success of the team of the hospital as well as OT technician, OT staff, OT sister, even the SNCU team. Okay, so it is a teamwork. Every OT is a teamwork. So I am very happy that we have done a very nice job and we have saved a small little heart baby boy of Omar Kali Tripura. Okay. Congenital anomaly, it is by birth only. So in very easy language, actually the baby was suffering from such an anomaly in which the intestine was not formed by birth. A part of the intestine was missing. So in medical terms, we call it as jejunal atresia. Sir, in time of surgery, the missing part, what we did is we resected the missing part and we have connected the upper and the lower part. And the upper part also, I have modified the upper part. Okay. So in medical term, we call it as jejunoplasty and jejunal anastomosis. For this very jejunal atresia, there will be no problem. But yeah, in future there may be many challenges like cough and cold, fever, diarrhea that can happen in any baby. But for this baby, for this operation, I think there will be hardly any complication.
Angkai brotol Tripura, ani carai asai kha, tabu second child ani obo calabusa baby shan, bo asai mani Dalai district hospital, kulayo asai kha, inke orni chini pediatrics har. Actually, inke bo gyno department to asai khano, inke orni ang asai mani pore no nukha bono je kabawo, inke bar no chung report khaika sarno kisa sarnage di obo chini saraile kharang kayoi obo green bile hino. Obo medical term by inke obo haike kabago hino inke sarrok to asuk serious na intong kha samoyo inke pray 1 days obo haike intong kha inke ang barba samne pore inke borok SNCU department dio to boy admission khaika inke bor uno kha au sarai to serious no hino inke uno khai orni sar je kaisa specialist tongo child rong ni deborma sar inke bo saka bo try khaimani porio 10 tarik to asai kha 15 tarik hinke jungno refer holka 5 days ni try khaimani porio oro kaisa sergeant tongo hapani hinke to asuk nor ni khorsa bo thangala nor or thandi o sar ono doro bo sakinoi bo ekdom specialist bo kabama experience bo tongo bini hinke binor thangdi hinai bo khob rokha hinke bo no bini personal gari tam sanai rang bai bini personal rang bai gari reserve khai rokha hospital ambulance no mano hai kono ani sarai ni boma to belai no not to saimang khana delivery on drop inke am kise gari ro kai maya aban boy private gari bai rokhor ka bo hai ki reserve khai inke oro sokai mani porio or ni je emergency staff ro bo ana help khai kya ang je reference paper phono kai no bor log na admission khai kya inke joto processing bong no khai kya ang kuno saiman dia ang to emne bukisa education ko mani ke ba ani chai so ba khai inke obis kam wa kai sa chai bo 6 year obon kai obo culture ta inke obo tabu second inke obostan inke oro phayoi inke phaiman no obo nurses sister dog borok dakha SNCU department to inke oro phaike no luckily ang sarbe malai thangka inke sanya andaro no admission mo thangka inke o jani tabu korea asok ja sar bosak gombo no tongo at the time of we are came to SNU we never we enter we luckily got our sir ke obon pore ke sat ni Thwi no sat no saka obo to bor saimaya te tam kha bo tam bai ka ba khan ke bor sago sonography khaina nai hinoi sonography khai kya ke obo bor saka je oro blockage tongo intestine no hinoi small intestine inke obo no bor medical term bai saka je obo duodenal atresia kong hinoi o diagnostic inkai inke obo inke to operation khaina nai hinoi inke ani to ekdom pra jing to ma boma bai bofa ma ka suka asep sarai chi kon chung phaipro to opose tam 5 days inke operation khaimani dino inke 8 days on khani charai ni age inke 8 days ni charai no ba ke operation khaina nogo call khakya jo to digeno call khaya ani ji relatives to mani ba ani best friend of je kisa sijak nungjak to mani inke ani ma buri chok ma sano sawo nogo phaidi ase charai no lai khayar gula khinai bin je bujja mani kite jo to ani friend ba relatives bor khachago as a father oboni responsibility din nang khainai chungla idea ri maya hamya kai bo nor gana du chung du sinai ham kai bo nor chung thank you sanai obosun sai meni inke ang to tebo pressure oi thangka inke oroni jani sinijak tongo doctor ro inke chini boro ro ani junior tongo oro tang MD utpol tripura tongo oro inke bono bangkol khaishinka bo banong gam reference no khakya bor joton sago oboni ni charai ni life saving operation che nung obono risk na di hinai oke oro ang google so search kha naikha oba hai duodenal atresia ni mane saving life rate busuk tong bini chances ro ke oro motamuti 95% maybe son no ke obo to no khanke ani loge tai kaisa tongo assistant professor bini sarai bo oro admitted ongja inke bo inke common tripura ani hakuto shani no ani gustino kalayo inke bo banus khub ka hamkai no confident no likhabo saka nani munai dini charai to life saving hincho doctor sabo inke ba nung risk no nasidi operation khainga to nin charai thanai khaipuno than inke ba nung risk na di 95% bo chances to hoine corona solai chalai ka inke last